Odobaku Hakumam inu We are seeing now We do what dansia Na nenya mi Akaya bomu enete
Yawa wakwa babebre eba Mawarie Jumadie so ewo Pent TV aha ene edi aware a etu hwa na edi mu ewo nyame anim good examples edi bro said ye be ya wo so wo hwa ebe boaw na wo di bi etu hofo na niam anka wo so wunim no a obi enim a oye no wo so wesua bi na aboa waware midin edi Gina yakojin krato aba ye ba owura ni owura yire a omo shawari asi enche bebiri na ye behwe bebi omufi bebi omo abedu eni bebi omo hwe a omo elko nyame enka ho na omo wabotre na tenase na ye kojin krato abasisia.
Get copies of the Global Ministers and Wives Conference messages packaged for you from opening to the closing ceremonies of the conference and get a free gift. All available at the Pent TV front desk. Call 020-1000-343 for further enquiries.
Yes, I'm a wakwa biom nyamishira papa dwumedi a yatu ne din Mawarie ewo Pent TV ha na wo hwe yi me din sesan Gina eno a nende nyame ayadum ama owura ni owura yiri Okyere-Asante o Mawarie mfie mienu pe nanso etore bia na enye mfie dodo obi aware be 30 years ogusugbo na yire enye mfie dodo aware eyese wate ade na se na wo fa se de nyame ehunu no na wo de ebo bra o aware mu ha se wate aware ase se de nyame ahyehye no na wo nam sa kwan no so eno ho asem na ya ye ka wo ha nti na ya de examples yi ana nhweso pai ebramo every week said ye be ya won so ohwe a wetimi de bi etu ohufo owura ni owura yere Okyere-Asante nyame nhira mo mo wakukudro 2 years pe na modi Mawarie abase ye musebusa mu nsemi mo ya de pa se ya dachi se de mu bedi hu adanse ye nyame enu nti de bia metaka se rehearsal no ye wa no nti ya mama kwa ba pa anuma bi eka gu masum se ebre bi na mumu ba ko kobompae na ba ko so yes okobompae na mu ko hia mo ho Legon Saba hall omo fielder eda hall nenim no me kai se ho na eta bompae wo pa yesi ho na mu ko hia obi a wo kobompae de ni hu ye obuta e ba ko pe woni nyame na ekokasa ti kan hwe ba bi a se ye den oro Okyere-Asante una hu na no no
mega si hu ya
mo sure esi say ha
school mo na ye ka presby school for eku your friend on National Presbyterian Students of Ghana Nubshi.
All right.
Na me ye church for ma eku no secretary na me wo me final year say me be wia no
okay
na me hoka phone so afie na waba the friends a fresher
okay
level 100
okay
enti odin ho be dom eku no
okay
odin ho dom kwa Levite square no
okay
na ye wo prayer meeting a ye nyina ye kohia e wo Saba field no so na ya bompae enti ye pon prayer meeting na eso ochia oyonko you know say na ye wa sorry no
that's right
enti ye nam na ye chiacha
oh
na we do no so na ye chiae enti inkomodie mu no na me hu say oh course a me ye no eye classics ono so eye bi
oh na nchie yi yesi chieche de na akọbọ nkomo a wo no obi a bọ nkomo ana no kwa no na adi nkomo
enye ono nko a nkomo ne de etre
nti uchie obi a na ne di nkomo
enye obi a but
na ne kawa
enti nkomodie mu na also ene say ono so e wo department dey ne obe pese obeba na ni me bia onti ase na emetumi a cheche no na enti ho na exchange numbers yes numbers enti ho na bibia fi ase
empire boy empire boy ti di
but na share trim say
okay
aware anase ye pese ye twemp na na bibisa
okay
na eye emwa o hwehwe efimi ho
okay
esanse medikan final year enti bibie ni ase me wo nimdie kakra ono afi na waba aha enti ohia obi a ase obe brofo me ka se mentor
okay
edi amano enti that sana ayonkofa no efi ase se ayonko
okay se abayo afoforo wa besu a wo hu obi obetimi aboa no a o be sremwa na wo ba be wie school at that time no final year student what be this school mo be 4 years right 4 years na nka wo confuse
ebra
na wo grabo obi a tika wo be wie school no akosa ana said na wa soso bi ahwe na enye omuanti amfa
me be school no me see ejinaye say
okay o pa bayo bi to once and wo be school
dabi ejinaye say me 4 years am be spend it e wo school no
okay
me entire relationship here
really who ye wadwin say for 4 years now we be di school mo no wo mpe onko pa bayo bia I see na wo di an
me rem na me di 18
no di 18 okay
me wie no na me wo 22 yeah
okay
22 years
okay enti na say na won bo sha wo share say onko pa obi a na abawe su aba wa brabo mu o wie school ansana o de boss wa na
me wie school no kra no enye ono enam ne no
masha o ansam
because at the time me wie no
yeah
na oni obi foforo
okay
ewo
okay
aha enti me
no obi di nanu ato no so
no obi enti me ni obi foforo na
so do anu ko tu obi so na sa nipa na ye den
ensem bebre
okay ti eno no amfa anyeyi aha after we ye boni bi anantina ana se e na fire o
me nka se all the fault e yo no ye nyina yenye perfect and I say yenye pe now so reasons on my for the breakup no me susu ye na enmunye dru na enmunye dru nti em say e bia ono na wabre because our relationship na we move for about 2 years
okay
yeah oni mi jai a day after Valentine's Day
Ojo ma di Valentine ni e bia na u di gift bi ba no di kan ha na amba
gift in the na me dey ama no
a day before abayo ipa
the Valentine's Day it's say na baby e kon na wa campus relationships send it no say u nye obi a obetumi gina wona so pa eye mrese won so obekwa fa boy and also go fa girl because if we are roommates bi a obi nko ade woni bi ntitembo a pressure no emu ye dru eso even asori mu kra no go fa bi a 400 for mu be wi into abo 4-0 o kosa abo 4-0 ntitembo ha
almost abo 4 ya chese ya show
4-0 wan ko ba
say na me busa we say ka wo be wi school sa
enti me kra no na pressure no na mu ye dru pa say man koso an fa me na ensi for nka say still me nkonko fa o baby a kosi say me wi school can
just to please them okay
and about my so aka say about 90% of campus relationships it doesn't end, they don't end in marriage.
Wow. about 90% of relationships and go for university for almost starting and in marriage. Almost found quite after two years. No, I say, my let's break up. Is that your story?
Yes. I'm say before school for I drain mu enyi.
That's right.
Into no can. And when I was here this year, there no pressure ne san man into now what shall I say call out. Into name be anka was say wo hwe ansa na wo ne nipa na hwe san yonko fanase no. On hwe san ne man no. Aha, into we kwakodu baby no na I say my bre. And I want shall see ye ne so into no ntumi fa enko wie hwe. Into na fofo bebre omoko out ebe wie school na obi omuntema tete. Enti no obi say we ase ase obi a ne nam ne baby. Aha. Enti anka yetumi twan mom ebia 400 and ase wie school ni wie a wadwen ni mu abie na wankasa wo hu baby a opese wo kɔ no. Na afei na wo hu say okay ha na mpesa me fa ntime me ni obi nante o say me hwehwe obi a ono so fa sa kwan ni so bi. Anya sa de a na tese nkosi baby a na wasɛ wo mre emotional troubles na ade nyina na ebi o create me a affect wa adesua na wo kosua no. Aha, enti no eya na ye tu nkrofo a ye be share omo ne for say omo train na at least we first degree na ansa. Aha.
O kan bibi say eni emesese nka wadwini enwie nti ni emesese nka wo hwe ansa na wa enter into relationship no. Wo hwe say obi a ye nti ese me so me pe bia nti no you just enter it. Eni ma ben sa na wo kan ho asem.
Okay. Ade ba kwa me hu ni say wo yo ba na be say oni obi etu aware na mo wana say mo ya hombo aware we say oni obi a na dwen mu edo esen wo oba no. Afei ni ne mfie nso wo say etumi kwa anim kakra esen wo de no. Ebia wo say nani so ade hunu no wo hwe say ono ankasa no etumi ehun baby a okọ
na wetumi edi na chi ma na yi
ha na baby a okọ no wo so hwe ho a betumi edi na chi ana
na obi o first year ono a
onim
ne course o ye kra ohun so course no kra ohun ni onyi na wo hu career path a okofa so ana wo wetumi based on that we decide so okay eduma ani pay that one be ye ni dia em say me so metimi akoka no sa nyama ni nyina nsipi nti wan kasa wo so wo share ase ntem sa bi
me so me do
pressure
third year 300 and I'm so me share ase
who started level 100
there be
who started level 200
300
who share ase level 300 okay
and I'm call but empo no na kan eminya ya
what I'm saying is that say school na nkasa dey
me share school na say
level 100 and now
me fa
boy
level
300
after 2 years
na so kwa boy ade kakra but still
san kan minya ya kan me twen kakra nsa
okay
esan say
mistake ben na wo hwe a level 300 relationship na uturu mi kako mu no wo hwe a mistake ben na wo ye
mistake am here ne say na me obi am pese me ware ntem
okay
na me obi am pese me ware ntem
say bienti
oh okay na me pese me go school edu echire pa na me pese ma ware ne awo ensem be si ake echire ntina nka me pese me tumi balance ne ye ntina na me pese me ware ntem te bia 25 26 na nka ma ware na awo abam na face school no na matoa so but at that 300 no na nka me nya ya nka me twen kakra esan say nipa na
me ne no wo hwe a rush no ma wo ye then necessary nka wo hwe a wan hwe I would enter a relationship.
Man can was me baby a me eko. Any baby a sa onipa no so eko. And sana me na fa sa anyonko no. Sa de na man hwe nti na eno na didi so a ma ekodu baby no na still me hu say baby a me ko ne nipa ne de na mfante na wo say me twe me ho kakra. Na ma me ko twe me ho but e bia nka me twen ya. Ana bia me wie school and sana bibia nka metumi atoto ne ma eye kakra.
Nti una o ma nipa no broken heart anase.
Broken heart no de me na me kose ne
Wow,
de jitum pa.
Wa shobi babem. Obi babem. Ah, one two but o nti enu nechi no. E na okohia honorable
Pacho ai.
Ewo Sabafield na anase.
Yeah, bi.
Okay, international Sabafield ni de. Mwehia to ho dada.
Oh, na ye nyonko.
Ma ye nyonko fo dada.
Time all out nyina.
Na ye na fofo.
Na is still here now.
Ooh. No bia eni nam no. Oye ni broken heart wo ono ana.
Enti eto da bi na ye hia na aka say eh bia say na esio relationship na nkoye na ma tunifo na ma say oh nyambotre be ye that kind of thing. Bia me so me mom dey na me time family dey ma bebre but ono no akọ twice okọ na anye ye na wa friend na ya tu ye ho fo ni ade
kan kuma to yem kakra
na me nso bi adesua mu na wono odi kan ye masters no ti show ya me ye masters me nya challenge bi ana my friend no but honestly na wari asempa de na obi say am ka so obi sham no kan say obi mi kuna kame because some of fan dey say nua enti no aware de na me share ho kra
okay na fe eye de every bay na do ya we decide we so na yes a decision say sister ya nkofo amayo tim kuma me ko mo chichi me re em say ono a obetimi achichi me re akwejire emre be na wa ohwe ahu say now wo pe na samba wonya nan say oboye wo yire aka wo pe asemaranko
me a young fire to some you know
anko yi
no me fiase bisa me ho ensem bebre fiase bisa nyankopon ensem bebre esan say na madri
now interesting afi okọ ye beto aso but what can be a atwuma dwen akosi bibi so afi wako 2 times wako say mma no petu oni o ma hye relationship ase anko yi afi na wo bebusa nyankopon questions na wo kọ no wo busa no questions as an wo cause those 2 relationships and a question wo busa no sit then
nya ade ba kwa me hu in fact one me fun so ba ko pa so pa ne say me relationship e dikan man train and say enyanko person oka
okay
me ho pre me
okay
because this year me we school should be it is still it is still well and see na I feel the pressure no I too overwhelming it's me hope pray me and I'm real
okay
thinking say oh say ono so or a Christiani why e crampo pen executive pen into
be executive na wari akeni okay
anye second one is the same commission bibi
in
fact mission bibi free mu enti me yamadwen say me nko out crampo enti for about a year na me ni obia and quite until say I feel me cast oh okay I think say this year no let me afia say I show you but and also no me nya botre
okay
and I know so be dimiti e problem okay enti sa relation bi no am ko emu am pf film e chere me niam pi enti e ma afi me ka chere me say okay my bre
okay
enti irade ni awo pese o ye no
afeina ma kai say papa ke sie bi o a mai na onimo bia suban aha
enti me sua ni ma bebre enti me se nya me awo pese o ye na fe die enti if you say bonfire from Mawarie
okay
me namfo man namfo bebre me hyanko fo bebre now so me bonfire ka kire nya me say me pese Mawarie eya Mawarie a esombo esombo enti man hye na bonfire amfa obi ho anase we aso me sie ho anase me I just me bompae generally say erade me de Mawarie e sha wonsa nti wanka side
now you're talking
nti wanka say esiesi na me obi a
now another interesting point you just made me erade me de Mawarie aba wani wanka say siesie me wanka say siesie obi o siesie wo that's deep.
Yeah, because near tennis our real nipa mienu na erem. Ya na mpemebre no. Yes, hwehwe the nyoye perfect person. But the question is say so yen so abre be hye nipa ko na yen so ya nipa ko na.
Exactly.
Enti meme hu say there are neme bi wo me ho a say me work on. Because a woman say relationships too na
Di kan kom
no omo na enimi jae de now so me so na ifum so it's me so na say me working on myself na me make sure say my ready say me wura aware
that's it
na sa bring so ma dwen efa aware ho efiase say esesa efiase say esesa afi me beti ase say aware ebotai ni say ebe kire ayomfa a ewo Kristo eni asafo no entem enti se me ware a ese se ma ware mprofo hu a etimi e point on to Kristo
that's it
enti ma adwen fiase as a sign e fa ware ho enti mi ame hu sa fe de ma adwen mu no engini mi ame hu se afi de me spirituality no enyin
that's it
enti me de asam to yame ni mo empaibomu fasting empaibomu nyame asam ena me de me ho so hye erade adwuma mu mama aware no anye me dadwen da bi me say me opeso wo ye no
yes
eti my focus was nyame adwuma ne yese me ye efa me ho enti enum no
okay
ena nyankopon
nyabotre
okay
ye be kwa kwaje kato aba afi ye boboba kwa ye faso a Okyere-Asante wa second world war anye yi o se oba pe number 1 in fact nimpa no peninsula after how many months
first 2 years
after 2 years no jao ena
7 months
ena second one so uni nipa no ko se nipe mugusu bobo ho after 7 months no so jao na fe na wo kai se nyame wo ena ese obebusa no nti wa ba obebusa no ye kwaje nkrato aba na ya behwe kwan a fe onyame a odi wa kwan ekodan no a oni ohwamoda no afi ye behwe kwan a nyame fa so a oyi sa ababa wa kama kokoro wa fe say edi ma no a ono de one after 12 months plus of relationship no when ya na afi wa we na be pin ebe ya ye di sankom ye kwaji enkrato aba ko be bia go sisi a
Another
Mawarie dwumadie na ugusu ehwe owura no owura yere Okyere-Asante awarie mu nkomo nyame enhira wo se watena se wodi wafidi ato Pent TV ehwe mawarie dwumadie owura Okyere-Asante oko si oba pe na mawa na nyeye number 2 in fact eyiya du be bia no magya no 2 na fe oye se erade sisi ade first 2 no man sheda no wendi hu nkomo yiye nti third one de megya ni nyina ama ne ame hu se me ame kwa nyeye ba wo kwa be yi nti ogya ni nyina ama nyame nti ye pese ye hwe ekwan a afi nyame efa so a toto nanamo de nanamo sisi yiye enne aya dansi nyame oye ne sen
me ne nyankopon enantim me sua senya oneme ekasa
all right
ba ko e dai ba ko ye through nipa me hwe the asofo
Okay.
the mentors I na feel so kemu am yankasa metimi etse on me kasa
Okay.
nye audibly nye
That's right.
say obi kasa no what but
Okasa wunnim.
minim say
What say no no asem we.
Ɔne me na
Exactly.
enti empaebom ne when na nyankopon e ka kyerɛ me da kro say ɔbɛkyerɛ me baby April ɔbɛkyerɛ me baby April
Na any month no cancer.
na you were around December.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, see the
After,
next year.
Obeche maybe March rather.
Okay.
It's
The
the
next
following
year, the
year.
next year no, it drew March.
March.
Obeche
Obeche
will
maybe.
Interesting.
Enti omo ano me very observant no. Me WhatsApp status. Yebe ram match na me started post WhatsApp status say erade wo se match o enti me hwe we ni.
Okay.
Enti me WhatsApp status
That's something no kind of saying. It was it one of those messages that who think come
one of those me
who spirit mu say nyame esse. All right.
Enti WhatsApp it was there sa enti match mu na me fiase eso dai.
Oh.
Na in a particular week no me so dai Monday through to Friday.
1 week no.
1 week.
Also that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right.
Na
na
Diana me so nyina na over the same pattern.
Theme, one theme.
One theme.
Through the dreams.
Throughout the dreams. Me so Diana na me kura jewelry like ahunyade
A good day.
a good day. Very precious ones.
Oh.
A good gift bag mo. Na manante akọ. E man na me nim won no bi. Say oh, me dia ade be chew.
Okay.
Ebi amekọ no na bi oni be ma foforo hye ho. Na me munu Matthias say oh, there be enye nipa na ma sign it. Mekọ mebo pronum da me timi hu say nipa no e wo den. As I say obi bana eh wo de bibi sie one person ba kun ba be hu no.
Okay.
It mebo pronum oh meba na aso de bibi sie. On bada.
Okay.
Na
And also we call
it may so ya to the 5th day. But now a different
women. Okay. See all the 5 days no different women. Ah, all try say a good year. A some book crowd now person or the mom na ye.
It is final one me suwi na me home scripture Luke 4:24.
My God.
And I'm sorry. Ti me sorry and I'm from my Bible. Ebi mu kohwe Luke 4:24. Asema wo ho ne say a prophet is not accepted in his hometown.
Okay.
Odifo bi ni enyonyam no.
Ai, odifo ni enyonyam wo. Ono ani nkofo.
Ono ani nkofo mu. Ati if you say this we sa quotation any diama so no ayonkofa ben na ewo mu. It's bra me dwen ho. Then I began to understand. I feel me if you say tiase. And na me kan sa scripture and context mo.
Okay.
Sana Yesu Kristo akoni krom. Opese oyeden. Oya anwande. Bible say we ntumi esan say na wonye dey wonjini ndi.
Okay.
Iti enum na ode ka sa asem.
Okay.
Iti me fiase bisa me ho say enti denti ena nyana mpese me de che no wanje ena fa be na ne sa adewe enti ase me nyan ne say my too familiar with
my
na etwa me ho ehia like omo take me for granted omo
who the value
ewo me mu and the conclusion was that baby ana me hwe ni nyina no now I was just wasting my time and the next question be say so what
exactly you have to leave your people your country. That's right. Okay.
I said me baby how one.
Okay.
Because I'm my dream say.
Okay.
And say me new be fi campus wa. I say me new be fi room wa.
Okay.
Enti I say me san train. Na obesa chem ya di April.
Another month.
It's okay. To that crow na me wo ho. Na me boabua me ho for interview. Abre na afi na by lecture last sun lecture at campus.
Okay.
It's na me call home interview. Around 11 p.m. na me boabua me ho. Na me ho cafe sabre no.
Oh you are down for.
Flash. Sa we keep flashing me. Na me say and I'm afraid.
Ne ho adwene
Enti ono be ka ne enti a flash me. Enti me nka. Enti obisa na no.
Obe no nya botre me manti flash na say hu say
phone flash.
Of flash o.
Flash me. Ne number ne by just like that.
Na san call e phone. Their friend say obi a flash o.
Obi a flash o phone.
Sister. Na I am bia. That day what was going on with you? E di na ma flashing no. One friend. O flash ya na nka o friend na cat. E cat e. Kan wase me.
Say flash no me sheda na me flashing.
O sheda.
Na before say me flashing no. Me imagine say me flash say when hu na wan frɛ back a sama me pesa me ka hwɛ no no. Me nka.
Okay.
But so Fred yeah, na me can because now I've gone through na
so da na.
Na me really my relationship I say. Like
so de na nko ye.
Na me de na anye ye na me pe obi a obetu me fo.
Okay.
But na se ne asem na ye no so no na me pese me ne obi an so be ka ho asem.
Na say wo de no wa na wo jai ne pa.
Me na me jai no but na eye den. Okay. Nti no na me pe obi a me na be di nkomo. But me nim ye nti na me pese obi hu say me relationship ni po me jai. Me nso ana ade ne me pe obi ni na kasa. E na oyo obi nso a metumi ni na akasa. Nti anadwo na me say me ntumi na me dwendwen na de na me si o ka me obi a me ne be kasa. But
na time no wedi ahen.
2014 na me di 24.
Okay.
For 24 going to 20.
Yeah.
Okay, now March. Okay, now March. My birthday March. Until now March, let me do 25.
Wa ko relationship anye year.
Uda
wo dem a wuntimi nda.
Na me pe obi ne.
Say.
Me pe obi ne na ka adi ho nkomo ha nti na me flash no no. At me flash no say no die. It was to my disappointment mum. Say no die no friend. I'm so that's what oh yeah then no.
Why were you disappointed? You as I said when you say no die.
Ne see and say nya me ni obi akọ out for 3.5 years.
Wow.
Na obi a me pese me ware no but kodu baby no na me te ho a bibi e o me mu nye comfortable.
Okay.
With the idea say
so also you Christian.
Na me so me Christian in fact na me bomb pie pa. Enti me obi atwa bepo na me fro. The bray and Yankopon din komo ma ware ho.
Atwa the real
baby I bomb
pie. Okay.
Atwa mountains and kasa na me ta ko.
O ta ko ho.
E ko bomb ma ware. Ko bo ware pie ne other things. Am pese me ye adusua ne nyame adwuma ne ade. Enti no na me call out there but me wo ha na me bi click me say enye ni panini but na ye den because say me tutu record me ho akɔhye me wie na me parents me na fofo bia so nim sa nipa we a obia nti obia nim say we ya na wo say wo ware no but so da bia na click me say da bia di enkoye ma me na niema me ni gye ho a me pese me ye nyame adwuma na de no nipa no interested in something else nti no na enkoye ma me nti kodu ba bi na afi ase me so no sania onim sania Yankopon ne wo kasa sania ono di kan nti da bia me kasa me share young people na me omo kasa me ka sure mo say ansa na wo be pe obi aware no e wo say oni Yankopon enya anyankofa ansa nti say otumi ne Yankopon enya anyankofa otumi ne di nkomo na onim sania otumi kasa trewa ono no betumi abo wa mo ko woni pa ko a
ni nyina so ban
esan say hu ene asem
That's it.
uni mo china asem
That's it.
but nyame hu ene ehu ochina ehu ewieye asem ena hu ni pai se na me hu we me hu physical ba nyankopon so na ehu akoma ne mu and you know, and then the relationship with God is very important. Exactly. It is a woni nyankopon ni apam. Now say what the person worry, I'll be worry, but e bia obesan ko nu at the end of the day. Because e bia na wa hwe nisuo. Until me begin and me hwe nisuo. First now nipa na yem krom ni second send an structure tino na yem fe. Third no nim kasa nti okasa na mstimu I me there. Nti no sa na ma we and e bia na efie so ye kakra that kind of thing and only na me share ye na bibia ye perfect enti no me ma me hu say oh nipa do ye perfect papa hu say nipa we perfect me na fofo nyina to me hu say ye perfect but me so me hu ne say ye but deep within me no na enkoyie ma me enti na say personal conflict na me ni me hu eko say enti no ekodu baby no na yakopon yi niema bebre kire me no so da ye mu saa ebedu baby na aba nipa no na se du baby na me ne nipa no etu kwan na ebedu baby no eja ho na okọ ase to da bia so me so da na nipa ne share rings mienu obema nti a lot of things na me hu o mani so me hu say ade we embo me ba na metumi so control bia because our already say a physical journey na then na okeka da yensem ne spiritual ne meya I say ente wase
and yes physical journey is our sister
says ana ni pe hu no enti edu baby am kan say me break it up no na din me ma me ntia say papa ntia say obi antia say me na fofo obi antia say me aka sampo me ntia say
but for the fact say unim say nyame kan bibi no
nyame kan bibi and I was say me tie and that's an answer.
So you see, the point is here is that and son will be seeking to go into a relationship with any person, no, have a relationship with God.
Yes. Because our Arian ten and paying for the can ne quine yet ting and ebedu baby no be worry ni pani wi ansa no be hu se ne ni pani suli ne ban ankasa ete enti na nkofo bebre worry wi osme nu me hu ni peyi ya me worry no wasesa enye sei na no tie enye se bia wasesa but ne ma no we hu
na ni nyina wo ho
but we hu na wa ma obi a ono so nim bibia no so endan bibia di anchro
ebi so ni ni anyonkofa enti okasa kra wonte
enti ebi not connected but one
plug into him enti power no de wo ho nyame wo ho ba plug into no asam no kan kra
onte enti me dem relationship there and me marriage there be is my testimony and a miracle kesi a esi o ma brabo me san so nyankopon kasa ne so me nsa and o twi me fi baby ana me wo and o de me ko share baby o say me she
beautiful story na end there still a kwaya nyame fa so a o sense relationships a womienu nyina mu wo mu a at the time I flash now him say bra penny na wadanfo na wo koma wa cheche wo re na wonim say na kwaya fa so afi ebe ya ware no ye ko jin krato aba na ya babetie the end of that part of the story na fe ya hwe say omo ware for 2 years. What has been their greatest challenge?
Get copies of a Global Ministers and Wives Conference messages packaged for you from opening to the closing ceremonies of the conference and get a free gift. All available at the Pent TV front desk. Call 020-1000-343 for further inquiries.
Nyamia ya dumama yenya owura ni owura yire Okyere-Asante a kire se ene no ye hwe kwan omo fa so omo mienu nyame eka omo bomu na ye hu se omo mienu nyina danse omo di ni kire se omo hye ase a omo mbusa nyame eko nante emayo ne mrantie bi hu ene omo efa anyonkofa se nka ebe kwakowie wawariem esanse omo mbusa nyame ansante no ankowie wawariem na nyame oyo no kwafo ono de ote ho kwa na osan ba otwen o ompo so da omukọ ya omusan ba ye ebebusa nyame no afei ohyase se oyi niam edi a kire om owura yere Okyere-Asante ye be ko break no na wo ka se they say when you broken heart why na wo di broken heart no ma wo obra wonim se Wa brantie no bibia kire se ohaw ni no ho oye kama enso wo kra mu no wo tinka se enye wei ena nyame pese wo ware no enti wo ni nipa no kogyae ena afi
enti
ura
na no ho akire na me ka kire yakopon se ade I've emptied my cup
aha
enti na to da bia wo ba yakopon anim wo hwehwe bibia fi nyame ho so bibi kra odada
aha
enti da wo se da na odi bia ka ho
okay ti wo so first one wo so wa musa
enti me
na
so
wo koye afi na wo kai se ono so owo ho enti wo so busa
na me hwe ade na wo me cup ni mu gu ye na me se rade me se me cup no bibia anim ti wankasa feel mami
okay
na me koye enti mi jai na echo missions ye ko kanya me asem
okay
enti ho na asa nyankopon hwa ase kyekyere me re e ma me o hye me nkran say ono ankasa wo botae kese bi ma me enti na yesa ya ye bompaye enti one of the days aye bompaye na nipa ba kwa me ne ye nyina ye koka asem no ka hye me say asa part asem me hu bibi say obi kra wonsem a o moldi bibi ama o enti na say onyankopon boa wasiesie ne ma bi o wabra bomu. Another time obi so the same place na aka try me say asa na mikra hamper kitu bi like obi bra me hamper kitu bi ehwa na like obi fufron so de hamper kese pa e buy na me je kese ni mum nti ehwa no na ma asa makoma to me yem kakra so okay na nyankopon e wo plan bi ma me nti menye di na menye den mentwen no nti ye fi ho buy no na me na fufo bi so ye miensa na ye call atwe mountain se ye ko bompa ye kakra nti ye ho na me bom paya na djubi na ase edino eba mitrim ni din
okay
eba mitrim so big body na try me about our and I'm see you the be we dey anyo no because we dey me crampo I say
ukuma shede ni
he me nua we dey and I me pianto baby nti me nim na fofo no credit hu komo na omsere yes because ye nyina na e colleague nti omo nyina so omo nim no sure na yes sere and am say am na say me bom paye I say bra Mike din abesi mitrim na de bata ye me sere kra me nim na yankopon krampo pa akire mpo na obi o emu nua sa de besi dem paye ye na me de me bae hand me bae no so campus nti once na wa na ma fa ne ho no we say no so na yakopon so enso ne kasa ne no na be ka na asem
seriously
na me nim
okay
na me nim ho hwe
okay
enti da no flash here no and I'm a friend
all right
and also obisanse na me here na so me were interview the next day
okay
no so okay no nim won comment me we interview na ishia enti me we interview no and I'm a friend and I yes e be share we kwa for one horse ne bia
yeah
school for me there
me hall na obodi nsa
oh okay enti me nam kwan so kɔ no
all right
and nyame na me kasa
okay
o ka kire me say oni me bedi ne relation asɛ ho komo
all right
so enti me kɔ na I already knew say
mo ko carry no ni relationship ba anko ye ho asem
but na relation wa I break it down there but no on can kire me enti me draw na yetena se na me so I know what you are going to talk about
yakopon ka kire wait a minute yakopon ka kire wo se abayo na o se opese ono kasa no ono wo ba be ka ni relationship mu asem all right
enti me draw na so me nim ya wo be Canada oni assume say anye yi
Prophet Asante okay
enti me 24 na ade na o suggest say oh any as you see na your one soup enti yanko Sabafield na yanko bompae
okay
enti anadwo no ihia wo Sabafield
okay
na e bompae na empire no mu no
this is beautiful
empire no mu no
okay
me just say hon kokoro na me kasa
pa God has a sense of humor
no so me say o boa
oh God
hon kokoro ka say we na me say me kire wo
also say
and I say when also yeah they o try me
wow and you
know several times in the course of the prayer maybe I raise the prayer topic the Holy Spirit continued interrupting me.
This is the answer. So what are you praying about?
And I'm saying no.
Share.
Enti ye bompae wie. And I ye na ye fa. Me kon no stand on the make. I feel they no on the make kasa part there. Me abam na for 19 that day.
Now, in the course of the prayer, did you also sense something? Okay, so God was saying you are the one to do the proposal. It's one and no kasa.
Yeah. It's me so ready. It's me there, me sin baby. But still, na the subsequent days never.
Okay.
It's me yes a minute me software, me mentor on the council.
Okay.
Marriage council na ye. Me nembe kwa kasa. Na me kwa na madam for back also am ne no bonk mo pan so no or don so ho crowd da na so me there are some mienu nyina mo ha na asem kra na me de nam e no be sam say na me kan bia extra asem ba pom kan e toma sumpa I say Mike e bia na nyankopon ni opeso hihye ni it's wo de kokobbo humpai ko ka che nyame se nyame tie fi ohoni but me to me ensum enti wo de bo humpai keke ne jani sa enti me quiet that's what I want to do.
Okay.
Enti I feel as weeks went by I feel na fe me makoma no it was na a draw towards her.
That's right. Oh no bo akoma no so be ma wado bi a I want touch
na makoma because
beautiful.
One of the things I na me imagine say hey na ni pay me ware na empaso cry me to me na dampaso
pay o uni
but yakopon ma afi makoma no so I began to find physical attraction for her but the key thing me manage won ho was the spirituality and the subai. These are
na nim
these were things I na me nim the da because we na nante for 6-7 years.
Oh nimpa.
Until eventually one day in July and me say the and we near me ko bo hom pan ase e ho na ka se opene so.
Hey, sister. Sister, fat.
Because no be any.
Oh, wow. Wow, because also nyame no wakasa.
Me I knew it.
We are aswede.
Na fe mato ama ne say okay, say ona can say de ne onye no obeye.
Okay.
Say nyame na.
Ubabako. That's right.
No. Ono ankasa bae no na afa e mesere because na no say okay, nyakopon na ye na ade. Nti ye share ase no. Anya fe na obi me besua se ne awote ne ade nti we went straight to marriage preparations.
Okay.
Nti July no
proposal. The day you proposed.
July 9th July.
It was 9th July.
9th July. Where?
Okay. Jubilee. No, that's what campus.
Oh, okay. It's your friend Somra.
Valco. That time no Valco. Graduate was there.
Oh, friend is there Omra. And Obai. And then and then okay, how did you say yours? I want to be the father of your children. Okay. I love you.
I
want to marry. It was a marriage proposal. I wasn't like.
Okay. Can we go out?
Can we go out?
The guy was still ready.
And so no, right away no. Na me sumpo me me first year masters program no. Until na me be school and sa. Until when I no see you go home so for na. Counseling over more than 6 months.
Wow.
Oh, of course.
It wasn't easy.
Yeah.
Tell me what makes it.
Because odi kind. Now for before.
Yeah.
Godmother, someone say.
We'll move from the other guy who seemed to be very good.
Until ye adwin say ne Yakopon aka no. Na ye ni eda so a ye hwe. Ye hwe na nipa e ka. Nti afi time call ya na wo say mawofo ehunu no me papa mpo de na onti ase kra
na won kan kire mo say woni abrante ba ko neja
da bi o ande no mo nim
okay
ama ho issues ye nti ase nye yi no ho
so then why were they having issues with
sanka yakoma mu no nka we na ye pe e na won so nye we na afi odi obi foforo aba nti no e den say
we jai dada
but still no sanka bia
if you nipa
nti no now when you're comfortable nti okay nipa na bad dey fine but say yakoma mu no ha yenya ya anka na ye other person no nti na ma preparations towards marriage no cry rough kakra eto le bia na da na esu na ade but ni nyina mu na mpaye esan say ohina akoma da nyame nsem nti na bia na ye bom mpaye say Nyankopon na oni ye nka say no me father ne me obi a oye involved ne so be kasa
that's it
nyame so oni na wan kwan so e ma wedding ne eyi ni nyina ba mu
okay
fisania ono ankasa hyehye ye nti July and I shall see echo out and the July 25th the following year no
okay
na just our arena baswa
wonderful wonderful enti 1 year na mkoto ye were there challenges in terms of emotional challenges are necessary mo so
yes
okay
there was because me ankasa no na me recover fully from the other relationship no
okay
but na gidie na me to say metie ni Yankopon aka nti so da bi kwa na comparisons bi cry ya ba mu me mafa
okay
aha we anka for instance example na ofre me pa and apart tutu on ebe frame me nyane the other one aha but now on so course no nya ho ade papa
bra
enti no to be na have me I say me sorry on papa be 10 maintain and can but other person can 6 on kra na be nya no hey so that kind of thing but na ya share counsel na sinti no na make ye bisa questions am make kasa na ma ne binti na ya share say ye di hu dwuma and on no onya ambotre relax e bua me nti ono na ya ade pa ade me ka say ni maturity ne bua me nti no these were some of the challenges
wow
yeah
nyame obviously mo story am kan kire say nyame ankasa pa e na twetwe mu mienu fi baby am fi e na ka mo bom na eno no eya na mo enu nti no mo awari o how bia mada
eya me ka say aware no nipa miensa aware for no e na Nyankopon
okay
say woni Nyankopon ye baako
that's right
and say woni omukafo nso ye baako
that's it
na the fact say Nyankopon ede mu mienu abebom no enkyere say aware no won face challenges
okay.
Challenges no eka abrabo ho
exactly
Kristo ni biara efa ohaw mu na so Nyankopon a chance ye fa ohaw mu a obeje
nti mumu de pa ma fam just give me a little window into me how
one of the challenges I encountered very early were surprises.
Okay. I like the word
because a woman said I now for 6 years now so still
imagine
there are still a lot of things about her or no so nim about me and see this is your first time you know one back together husband and wife.
So surprise number one
me didn't temper and I mean me if you know obia aduane ye obia aduane ma no ono baby ofiba no
e didi bom
also ni mbe didi abo na so da bi ti me aduane ma me na me do so da bi
of course
and I'm so okay fine na neti ye no na aduane na sa also Kojo no
I mean from the same
from
place.
The same
who did it from the same place okay
why did you know I had to because or not this slow maybe the didn't time
okay
and say them boy say me train akra me got am also so say then me dware so ntem
okay
tebu me dware na ehonyina afo sister beba na
why your hopasa
I have hopasa and say do abi na me who some ko dware pe na wa farm up what dey abeto but a drew baby no say these are things that we have grown with for so many years and it won't be easy to change within a few weeks so we have to compromise we have to adjust.
That's right.
It's a hot for cry not on one kasa afa mom no on afa
and a big deal
and yet big deal
okay
Tiro hana me ditiro ni see obeba no
na matama ko si baby foforo
What's the big deal?
So you compromise on certain things because it is very difficult to change personalities.
Yeah.
It was one of the challenges I mean now my second relationship.
Okay.
Because me obia naturally no me friend me texto but that second relationship you come no it disturb that part of me because na me mpese me ye ade a the papa no say ompe na abema relationship na say enti we need to be very careful. Relationships that are unhealthy it changes certain parts of us. Emma afi finally
the right person na the papa no mom onu nya
yema na e fa free previous relation na be dey affected sandy papa. So it is very important for us to
God is a wise God. Enti na aya na o se ye nto yo
atoto boase
na ono amfa nipa no enye den emre ye ya pre ye hunti ni akone nam sa anso so he is still a faithful father.
Yeah.
Ye kwa na ye ba
obeji.
Oh my God. Wow, beautiful story. Then once na obekọ no we twa no raps amame. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
We twa no raps no no so etwa bi no ma hade.
Okay.
Me dey eyi beto ho no matters. Matters ability to show love. I don't know how you're going to do it. Say ube bunko to je.
Hey, I agree.
Say ube so mu na kan. Kwan ube fa so ube ni bia no. Let's see romantic. You know, let's see romantic Okyere-Asante.
and this is here.
Here and now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I dream.
Mani tumu ya na dem. Raps no ka utuma ya na. Eh, any language fa.
Made of pan.
Just flow.
What is so weird? Shame
Eh, Solomon. Mayo ko mam jinsa.
Eshe anajo. AP. Oma.
Odoba ku hakumam inu
Flow. Please flow.
Video adansia
Yeah.
na nenya mi akaya bomu enete.
Thank you.
You make my life so beautiful. You
Forever
radiate my life with your beauty.
Edokuwa na so mu a new better now. Hajize umu na nenya mi akaya mu enete.
Try not to cry. You want to pretend that it's also for one day respond. Songs of Solomon. The Bible.
Can say, oh yeah, before I I do baby na say dey. Na me do baby a me fa cry. I find joy every day. And I feel that I say cover me akava me am nsuro bi. And nyama bi ade bia odan ni no say oh yes. And then you make us say Mawarie wan kama ye me pa. I know na yan kam from so ke say amaye wo wiase. Na me pa ye ni say nyame asa say we de be kwa we pa. Na afofro nso be mu ye so esia. Nti me nyame dia ye say ye no pa.
Mawarie me dia happy. Enna ye relive just a songs of Solomon. Woman e Bible mu no. Aha. Ene ye da ne di pa. E kire se nyame mba. Ye ne enim eti odo ase enim sene ye do pa. Ye eniso de. Na ye se wo kwa aware a busa. Busa hwan? Busa ne onimu nipa hyase ne na wieye. busa ni onim nipa bie suban busa nyame na ono de ubusa na obema omuaya ede ahoto ebeba wabrabom obema omuaya ede ubekwa wie pa se de wate adansi orura ni orura yere Okyere-Asante edi adanse pa ni nyina ne se wo kwa aware a busa erade nyame enhira wo papa se wa hwe Mawarie adwumadie e wo Pent TV ha midin ede Gina bye
Adoba kun hakumam enu we are seeing now we do adansia na nenya mi akaya bomu enete ayame